Wait till we get around the back.
Hi, Biff. Oh no, we're starting now.
It's going to be my car.
It's gorgeous.
I don't know when, but it will be. As soon as my
I really thought she was setting it.
And it will replace that thing.
We're at Emily's house, and we're walking and taking video like we're paparazzi, and we're not.
We are paparazzi. Stop. Don't go away.
Emily! Come on, I want your picture. I want your picture.
Wow, hi. Well, hi. Hey,
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
everybody's here. Megan doesn't pay, so.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, I will take a video of you peeing.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
Guess what? West won. Woo!
Yay!
You're not in my car.
Hi, Mommy.
That's good news.
What's up, Auntie? Your hair looks good today.
Oh, don't take my picture.
I'm not taking your picture.
Take my picture either.
Mwah. Mwah. And so where else is everybody? Where's everybody else?
We will take a picture later.
Staying away from the recording.
Everybody, this is the party.
I am the party. I'm here. Okay. Bye.
Bye.